Introducing the Hunter Protector First Aid Kit, your reliable partner for all outdoor adventures. Small, light, yet packed with top-grade medical supplies to ensure your safety while adventuring. Don't let its size fool you. This kit is designed for high-risk environments and slips easily into your backpack or around your waist for easy and quick access while you traverse any terrain. Whether you're camping, hiking, hunting or fishing, the Hunter Protector First Aid Kit is ready to handle any emergency medical situation. Stay prepared, stay safe. With its portable ziplock and waist belt, it ensures convenience at your fingertips. Versatile, trusty and designed for you. Dimensions: a mere 21 by 15 by 7.5 centimeters. Gear up with the Hunter Protector First Aid Kit and embrace your next adventure with peace of mind. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.